Hello everyone, this is Supreet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe at home. In today's video, I am going to talk about the IELTS Writing Task 2, which is an essay. Guys, we all have witnessed that writing is the module where we face difficulty in attaining the desired scores. So before telling you how to write an effective introduction, I thought to make a video on understanding the IELTS essay types. So let's get started.
Talking about the general things about the IELTS writing task 2. The very first thing is IELTS task 2 is worth double the points as compared to the task 1. The task 2 is always an essay and the minimum word limit is 250 words. Since task 2 carries more patent marking than task 1, it is suggested to spend 40 minutes on your essay. Now, understanding the IELTS essay types, the very first type is opinion, or we also call it as argumentative essay. The second one is discussion. Third being advantages and disadvantages. Fourth is problem and solution. And the fifth and last is two-part questions, or we also call it as direct questions. Talking about the opinion-based essay, or it is also called as argumentative essay, the example of essay is like this. Many people believe that the stricter punishment should be given for traffic offenses. Do you agree or disagree? The important tips of this type of essay to take away is state your opinion clearly and give reasons for your opinion and include your own knowledge and experiences to support your views. Make sure your answer covers all parts of the task. The second one is discussion essay. And the example is some people believe that studying at university or college is the best route to a successful career, while others believe it is better to get a job straight after school. Discuss both views and give your opinion. The important tips to take away for this essay is give supporting points for the opinions of both sides. Don't express your opinion unless you are asked to. Use phrases like, on the other hand, it is believed that, however, some people disagree or agree and they claim that. The third one is advantages and disadvantages essay, and the example is computers are being used more and more in education. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages. The important tips are these types of essays sometimes ask your own opinion, so make sure you express that as well if it's necessary. The second one is write the positive sides on the one body paragraph and the negative sides on the another body paragraph. Now the fourth one is problem solutions essay. So the example is like this. In cities and towns all over the world, the high volume of traffic is a problem. What are the causes of this and what actions can be taken to solve this problem? The important tips are use always cause and effect language, use expressions like because of, reasons for, due to, therefore, so, and as a result of. Use one body paragraph for the reasons of the given problem and another body paragraph for the solution. The last one is two-part questions, or we also call it as direct questions. The example is going to be like this. As most people spend a major part of their life at work, job satisfaction is an important element of individual well-being. So the first question is, what factors contribute to job satisfaction? And the second one is, how realistic is the expectations of job satisfaction for all workers? Important tips are you should build your essay in a safe direct essay model with an introduction paragraph, 2-3 body paragraphs, and the solution paragraph. Present the answers to each questions in separate body paragraph. Don't write more than 3 body paragraphs. Make sure your essay is logical and you answer all the questions presented to you. So guys, this is all for the day. I hope you like this video. And for more videos like this, stay tuned with us.
Guys, if you need more information about the IELTS and PTE, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, if you want me to make more videos on any specific module of IELTS, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much.